na meko hu video bi yesi chema untumi to John Mahama for say untumi fo abo toruwa yesi chema untumi gina stage so ena John Mahama to Kevin Taylor for yesi we dia santifo atem ampa me dia santifo mo gimi di bi atem
apa no 2016 me no na na ebo jandam ye fe bi jandam asam ne nya no kura kama ne nya no kure.
Ghana is a very funny country, eh? Asantefo ni bia o magimi no medi o matam do ya be ma no twa hwe amra. Yes. Me see asantefo ni bia o magimi no anom gu PZ agimi no medi o matam do so ya be ma no ntwadua. Ewo ehonti nti enyimre de na ye Ghana ho nsem nchirechiremu ndwudwemu ene se ne Ghana fo be hu no kure no ya ka kire Ghana fo se Ghana betuma fa ne ntoma pa efra na bibia ejina ne naso a ye no kure enko ene betum de akire Ghana. Thank you Mr. S. It just came in. Thank you. Yeah, no kure enko ene betum de akire Ghana. Nti who say obi a problem with this platform na because deeper no problem with no kure. So who say ekuo bi a problem with platform we are. Na just say ekuo no sebio omo problem with no kure. And yes ya kan no credit de bedi djuma no so umpeo it does not matter how you feel is your problem and it de bia makachro how you feel and I say senia unyome bia e fa wo ho ana say ye wo ya no e ye wo problem enya me problem o ha nyina say Ghana for beti no credit na say enti I don't care about how you feel enti say unim say it's about baby a wo free senia kasa wo kan enton a wo bo ana say bia binyo bi e ya wo ya bia election bia wo losing ti wonti ase na enwe ha me e ye wo ne be hawo because unye ready so beti no kure no ama sebio agi we free eye jimi mu inti wa hanwumbre a member to sebi enkyerɛw member power kyɛw so sebio infantini a we jimi no menka se onim nyansa onyankopɔn fa me bɔ ne nkyɛme inti wa infantini na we jimi a meka se we jimi so ya infantini na ya de pa meka se infantini nyansani wa ya de aboa Ghana so ye ko ni na onim nyansa meka se onim nyansa pa ebo abaso we ye ko ni a we jimi a mentwema wo sebio oye eyeteni a unim nyansa meka se oye teni a unim nyansa oye teni na sebio oye de ye na wadwiri mu da ho na oye aboa Ghana mebo abaso se sebio oye ahunani te seme me maame eye ekua Monica na se ebia wo ahunani no udi nkwaseasem wo Ghana menka se me maame ahunani nti oye ahunani na wujimi a na mabrabra so I can't do that. I'll let you know your foolishness, I'll correct you, and also oye ahunani na oye adepa I will sit here and tell you say why ade de oye no nipa eneye ena wo ya santini na wo ya kwasea na wejimi a mese wo kwasea meka se wejimi if you say se wa anye de ye a wo se yeteawo se wo ya santini na onim nyansa na wadwene wo fie na de ye ena wo pe na nokre na wo pa meka se yembo abaso e de se Ashanti regional minister de wo ye ya santini ba yembo na abaso kwasea page se chema wontumi o ejimifo yentumi mbo na abaso. That is how it works. Ahaban dada te na ahaban bonote sebio sa na tie e wasase so akora betumi weja penyini betumi weja akora ba asase de natural order no penyini wuja akora nti penyini a wejimi no wantia na odni jimi ekowum enti na hum wo ha na medwudwama me Ghana fo ehum bibia eti bibia ase edien na esi wo Ghana menti ya nipa bi ekeka nsam kyerɛ me nuanom yeginam
asantefo ne akamfo na ye the problem of this country ye de yete so a ye nkanta Juma ye dig your mama will come ha. Asantefo ne akamfo na ye the problem of this country. Ye de yete so a ye nkanta. Juma asantefo ne akamfo na ye the problem of this country. Ye de yete so a ye nkanta. Asantefo ne akamfo na ye the problem of this country. Ye de yete so a ye nkanta.
The senior goat has spoken upon Chikoko Akasa. You say asantefo ne akamfo mo na mo ye problem of this country me yakani into yakani na ohwe me na titiri wo ya asantini a so te ase yakato enya me e kire kwasea ene etunufo a onte na kwasea betu kwaseafo a munyina wo da ne nkwaseafo ini sa na tie e de na ekoso Ghana mente ya nipa bebrebe bi e kansam embanfo de bia obia Kevin Taylor unhu akwara Kevin Taylor unhu abrewa Kevin Taylor unhu akokora Kevin Taylor unhu sofo unwa besiriwa edie pa na Kevin Taylor metie media yamo election ba kwa Ghana for NPP for lose ye enti Kevin Taylor no ene mako twetwa videos bi omzi Kevin Taylor heden Kevin Taylor didi asantefo nyina ata me se asantefo bia mogimi wega asantefo di bi na mogimi brutal momobi mogimi brutal yase Kevin Taylor ko di nkremofo atam mo problem me se mo betwetwa video na sienia 100 hours enko bibia because in kremoni onim nyansa no onim se asem na mo kan nya no kre Kristo di onim nyansa onim se de o kan nya no kre entimi wini mu election o NPP for ade betumi awi ni mu election no munyi mu tribe ne nto nkyɛn na monka no korɛ na mo titru NPP fo titru minuanom asantefoɔ ni bi butwa tro dodo monka no korɛ anything na mo bebre mo bre. It is not about me pleasing you. I will not please you. And what junior will say, so oh come asem, oh can sama shama no. Na ama Kevin ababe moa because hey, dabi sebi on fantinia wejimi asantinia wejimi krobonia wejimi. I'm not going to sit here and entertain foolishness. No. I'm not going to do that. Inti say why readiness among person bet tenase. Na mo adia emamu eluzi election no. Na mo beka no kra kire Ghana for na mo beda ho adwumuto a munjumuto na me efa mo ho. Ah? Esi a pizza ti shi yi. Ah ye ma mo a monkodi a musumundi a anadwomu da komi me na me da kom. Dabi. Otufo said na piaw enwumbre ya hyehyɛ de duane gu table so bebre. Ase ka de man kraman. Uti pizza ti ye me na asase. Kwase ato. Me yenya eye market ni ye ma wo. Monsori nsuo no so se na be eja toma na eja na enhye omo a se bi o madwene ye adwuma. Mo bi mo agimi. Mo sa asantefo ni bi mo agimi papa. Ye tenetene mo. Ye betene mo. Me se me ntuntuma NDC a emfa me hu. And I say we mo kan sa 8 years. But we will force you people, some of you, to think. And that is what we are doing. We are cleaning the system. We are making sure the right things are done. Meantime, it is our junior will say, Obetna ho, ede asama to obiano. Me, it does not change anything for me. Because anajo, mokoda musuni swa, mudawa, mu jimi ambo se mu bi mu jimi, mu yanyansadie so ambo se mu bi mu yanyansadie. That is how it works. So I'm not going to come sit here and say, oh, Sebio, Obia can say tia Kevin Taylor, and Obi Jina PZ di matter me say 80% am ranti and baba one mubi a monenam PZ, muni store PZ wo. Mo asantufoni bi. Ah, monenam PZ. Away, ya nje mono, enya wana muye juma, mumubi, mwe jimi. Sa mwajuni ye juma, mubabwa Ashanti Regional Minister na malachichiri PZ no. Mumubi mwa say. Tribe ube kumo, ebe hiyamo. Anything nipa bi bum mumbu yisabu ye nkoaseafour mo ne mo actions na ntwe bo ho mumu bi agimi nti mo so mo ba wi akokokon na ntwe na bo ho no mo 1005 nie anwa ka ho sika ka ho mo so mo pe akokokon enya jimi na mumu bi mo agimi a any tribe any party na adokro mo a ankasa na ebe ye wo so waka Kevin Taylor sam edi Kevin Taylor anya den ana mumu bi mo bodam. Thank you, Mr. S. Thank you, Mr. P. We are not going to entertain foolishness and mediocrity. And if somebody thinks, say, Kevin Taylor, you can't say me, you did Kevin Taylor tell me he's going to backtrack. Mo bodam, mumubi. Monko to chat, na munyi mumubi in film, na munki can see any, na movanko shia, movanko menshia, or two for crash me. Internet the over cannabis sabibio. Monkano credential Ghana for. Nentwe boho mungi nentwe na monwe eja to PZ enya ban dia o PZ enya ban dia yase mon sorry eye hydrant ne so na yentumi mbu nsuo ndum ja nyansa ne ye ka kire mo mubi na mo asai dodo mo afi moto ena mo use mo mubi ena mo ise 6 and 9 ena nkwase asam ye ka na bubu ofu ena na asase ena ni asase wona na di vitamins Otufo said to Nana Pia, or did we have the vitamins account and nom, and you're fine. Also, Otufo, when you need some warfare. Would Jimmy to PZ, ye cannot correct you say, we get to the best shit, or Kwasi, so your PP, to Tiasia, a dumb and a wobo. When you're ready, no one can crunch them. Tell yourselves the truth. Mokano crutch them, Mubehu problem, Nina solve a problem, no. Because me. Sebio enya de me besi dan wa santimemu menye epuni ho eho nya fe ba me ba besra me nyonko wa santimemu nti busa mo sa de ntina kwa me deswa besi ne dan won kran kweku otin mu sisi om dan won kran ade ntina mo ntina santimemu because mu bi no mu ye nkurasefo you are not ready to change hwe na nti mo je sa mo kan sa na ne amoa mo ana mo mutirim ya mo de ohun ana mo mutirim mutirimu no ana emu de mu bi no munum bofuro nkwan na afamu me pentagon coliasis nim muni pentagon coliasis na mo keka nkwase asam na ntwie bo ho na ntwie na bo ho no emu 1500 bags Also ope mo 100 bags a yesi ka ase nam kwan so wo ye nipa na wo twen enti me maka kire mu sa sika na mo gigi no PZ ni nyina mu bisa sika na wen sika na ye do hye mu nsem how many NPP MPs if you are santimem na one crime mo ho hye ye no mo MPs na mo ko sa lie sebio mu bi ko sa lie ekoko ntokwa eko di nkofo atem eko di nkofo atem edi omani edidi omo maame no papa atem so omo de omo nya asantefo na amokoto abama omo na omo tenkran na emu san e na aba be ka kire mo se omo beboa mo mu bi mu agimi mo MPs no 38 to 39 na omo gu nkran no eja to omo PZ wo Kumase no NDC aban na suma ejinamufo se ombre moduane regional minister NDC ni asantini ba MPs no mugu nkran na mukosa ala ekodidi nkofo atem so omo ye Nkwaseafour mo de abusuafour na mo pe wo mo ya asante omo koduru nkran no emu san e na aba anyanya bia sanke expect say anka 39 ni nyina betu aba say ye nyina na ye ya asantefo MPs omo hu musem wagimi omo tenkran omo ni atechen mo mumu bi ni yetubufo amonte eni nti na mo twi mudi no ye PZ tase ena Kabintela eye Kevin Kabinte dabio enye wonum kankan na de wobekọ heaven o eye nyanse da utrim ene taxes abe use na de wobekọ heaven mo MPs 38 or 39 na and omo nyina o parliament a mo so mo ya santefo MPP fo mo na mo kọto abayi omo no sa MPs ni nyina omo wayin ade na manfo ba sa ma because omo hu se mumu bi mu agimi mu hia t-shirt inkoto abonike ene red kakra na asa Weja, munie. Me nyini a me hu asante hema hu na de tuntum da so tuntum se yuo fe me nyini a me hu ya asanto a mo amose ya asantini ba me hu ne kala etese me tuntum se yuo me na asante hema na me chiawo ene asante san kofo mo kase obia ye red mo mudu heaven a ye beka se na mo free mo yusu ma hem edi me matem mo kan we are no public ko mu fie na sokodu etuetu o ma no se nwan ontia se maka kire ne se on sorry nsuo no so na yenye eho ni yie ontia se inti o the MPP na betare na koma ho na nipa na okogina mu ekoto abama na otenkran eji 200 million eji edi esika no ni refi nipa no uyo dwan oh Muse nkama maame ne mo a anka me ti be hye binim mo bibi we mo mom embesiri what say man no red mo bie mu nsem a lines da mo I say Uzbekistan map mo ho lines mo ho kan mo de hanki fam kum na masade afam nim embesiri what say mo besua nyansa tu nkwarafo say de ekoso na nye ye de nti bibia de nu mbon ya no wa manu se apes munim nyansa yentumi muamo the president of the republic eja toho the same day the next day no beduru ho president odi Ghana so oja Ghana problem nyina be hwe mmoa te se mumubi mmoa te se mo a mudi na tem se onye nipa mumubi mmoa mudi president atem oye teninti ete se onye nipa oja na dwuma ho ba am ho be hwe mu inkuro na mo bo no ho no enya president na ma musika wu enya aban ne CPZ o mo na mo so na na asase. What is your problem? Monum se emotion pain to se den monum nyama. Inti sa de na mode tete mo ma. Mo mu bi mu agimi. Anything na NPP whom someone say, anything na put me jina santimemu, no I catch them say, Mumubi, mu here t-shirt keke. And hamon Munina munime. And there some me contest city bia wa santimemu. Nipa ba kwa obetumi mako head to head. Ebia wenya 3 votes. Now they beat me o 2-4. Obia no obetumi contest ma Ashanti me wini. City bia me contest to Ashanti region me wini. Now why any mu asantimemu? Why any chan hene Kevin Taylor asantimemu? It shows to say I am in your homes. Me force mama jenu kredi. Me se me eko bedu. Se me ba Ashanti region. Baby any me contest ya me wini. Why any me Ashanti region with them? Everybody knows me because me kanu krenechem eyamu ya. But me no me juma den se awsa me sesamo mumubi no me sesamo. Me say Ashanti region bantama me ni O24 say to nana pia wo fa asene me do. Me ni O24 contest here obe wini or the 3 votes. Me na me ka kire wo. And it show me how powerful Asantifo bi bu agiatum. Who why na be ma ofie O24 nko a be ma ni asantimemu. Se be ma asantimemu a anka mo hu mi anka mo ho pusei. And I am not going to stop. Me gina mo so. No kra ne de mo mpe eno so na me de be gina mo so. Mo de mo betima akotie gimi no. On say what say na se bi o mpe no kra ya atro na ya de. But on say mo hu mi na mo yemu hyehye mo. I am not going anywhere. And I am promising you people. And I am promising God and myself. Me say I am promising God onyankopon yo hatasui ene me ankasa me ho. Until se mumu bi dodo no besesa me njai da. Because enketwa na mo ba na e wo se save wo from mumu bi mpenifo na mo gimi wa santimemu no. Enti ye ne pese save nkwara no. Se na be ya akwara bi nsori na wondi 21 22 nka se na me ma me agimi ntimi so magimi never. He mo betuma twist words no aye ne de mo pese mo ye. I control the Ashanti region. O24 say to wa me na mo ho me se me ne nana ne wo fa asene me ne contesting bantama seat O24 or the 3 vote penny be to me because I am popular in the Ashanti region and I'm popular in your homes and I'm popular than your political party the NPP because youth no mo ba no almost say no kure na betima gia santeman do ya be ma no onyini todua on fa ne tadua meto abontene be ma ne fie be ma ne de okuta no kure be ma ne de ode no kure edi djuma be ma ne me. It has not matter. On say almost start here. Kevin Taylor say I feel money na mama say they say an ye say ya insight Kevin Taylor ya ma incremufo inti yankotwa video bi ni anka Kevin Taylor didn't kremoni onim nyansa o hu se mo NPP fo bebre mo gimi say kremoni onim nyansa no yanko ni yanko for Kevin Taylor old video bi ni embebo ni anka Kevin Taylor didn't kremufo ateme say incremoni bi onim nyansa bia wo Ghana nim se mo NPP fo mo gimi. Into the video no be catch incredible before some den on time Kevin Taylor or bodam now you say incredible for Nkwaseafour sign am here from 2017 Kevin Taylor the NPP Kevin Taylor the NDC regional opposition 2020 the same thing emfa mo fa no kra ne mra until you people bring the truth emfa videos there social media na aba no hey there are so many editing platforms ubetuma kwa editing the opposite can be can nyina see ani. It will not change anything. It may advise abdema mo Asantifo ni bi. Munyi bi ni free ho because sana mo ye ebeboa mo. Enti me show na mo kati. That is why on say production are very strategic. Every year we change background. Every year we change background. In this whole study me show now. Go back 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. Every single year, my production team, no, they change the background. Because we know, what you see, now go phone to me, you know, and you're just 2-3 people, a lot. Ain't he? Osha Kevin Taylor, I'll say, Kevin Taylor, yes, what can same way, that ben or can, no, I could check it. Every year we change backgrounds. In this answer about comment to Kevin Taylor video, share background, and they say, this year background ben no easy. Last year background ben no easy. Ubo baby Nkwaseafour. Strategically, we know what we are doing. Nothing is going to change anything. And I'm not changing. I am not going to change. I'm going to change. But apart from that, nothing is changing here. me jina Santifoni bi so. It's for a specific reason. Because me who se mo Santifoni bi titiri mu amanyini kakra do 50 45 50 ekono mo ye dangerous mo bi mo ye dangerous mo na mo say omo mo form no ye pese mo line ye stop mo on sa ambesi we no kasa kasa yi eyasi mesri we sa ankofua emma miensa no kasa kasa yi ohun omo ho makeup any omo sonkronsuo any krodo so any ma we mu ahenhame any sa ankwase ade na omo de asra la tesebina ne pokre ne sokre no sa group no mo ne pese the last group a mo jimi wa santimemu ye pese omo ba na esua bibu foforo enti mumu bi na mo jimi no deliberately ye pese stop jimi no ho. We are cutting it short. And in 2024 elections, numbers no. The young man no was santimemu no njimi yo, onya kwasia wo. The young lady no nama santimemu no njimi ye. As we speak to you, there are so many things happening now. Aban no eye de aboa asantiman imbebunu. In 2055, 45 na oda wutu jimi mu. If you say ona na o se wabi etena fie ka kire wo say na ano no na ano no ono na ano na ho na wo ho na ukuta saa de ma beduru nne da bi e maba wo jimi akowu nti I am drawing the line me draw line no me cut him off and most 45 50 na mo jimi ti NPP mu no saa my ideology no emba for mu biem we have cut it off mo pa mo kan de mo pesa mo ka Mopa mon kan de mo pesa boka Jimmy no ye twa so from 2024 emba back ensane for mu biem say obi betuma begina baby ena me ena ye say Rollins ye say ena me na bi ka kire me sa nkwase aka sare nya adwuma biem kan de e betuma kire santeman me support wo say wa anya sa it will never work enti say munya ready a me you are not my target 45 50 60 munya me target ehia me from 18 17 18 from 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 I want them to demand development me pese omoni bie me pese omo hu adekudie nti omo to aba me pese omo yi omo akoma free tribe ho na omo hu politics different from the chieftaincy me pese omo hu se eye ahinie ene politics enya ade baako. Those are the ones we are grooming and educating. You didn't know kure catch romo. It's more this line 55 ukono mwe jimino. You bet siyama mumaku. But the ones down there, we will help them to understand. Say adebia one krebiano, ebi deserve say ebi beba kumase. Adebia efebia one krebiano, e will say biba kumase. And the young ones are the ones we are targeting. My target is not most ambassador kan mumubi. Mo you are my target too. Now when mama say na money o madeda. Ye hwe so gum ho mai se kokohwe de careless vowe me imbebunu na hia me. I want to change the Ashanti mentality. I want to change the young Ashanti youth. I want to change the young Ashanti girl. Ono so be bold, ono so be confident, ono so be who say so be one crying bibi as a young girl and being confident. I can also be confident, and that Asantini akwara ansorenka say me besa be kobo bra one crying. I want to end it. Inti what I am doing, you might not understand. I am building a new Ashanti, and that a new Ashanti needs to be prosperous. It needs to be be ambitious, and that is the Ashanti I'm building. I'm building an Ashanti that has what? That has confidence. I want to build an Ashanti that when that Ashanti steps out, the confidence level is not ignorance. Some confidence are ignorant. So, Obua, or you're ignorantly confident. And majority of you people sana motie etutu mu kwase bi not Facebook and TV so or kasa gbebebe Nigerians say or you smart but or you ignorantly confident why you be say the kan nyansa wum so na nyansa nim, and we want to shaping the minds of the young Ashanti kid. This is a long-term project. My project is not about Nkwaseafour 45 near the idea mumubi amwe jimino. No, you are not my target. When you are sending your message, you need to know where you are going. I am trying to change the mentality. The young Asantini Akwara. I want that mentality. No? I want to change it. I want them to yearn for development. I don't want them to be like you people are. They be a year no more. Me person new ones no more no. Industrials. Me person wear the type or SS, JS, SS or university post. Me I want to stop it. I want them to believe in where they are and how they can demand for development. Because almost that is what I am me figure and me target to. Now I don't even think about you people. I don't care about you people. And Ubusa Otumfo said to Nana Piao, he will tell you, say, Kevin Taylor is on a good course. Because Onim say, age from 45 upwards, Muna Moya Asantimai, Muna Mugua Santimai. Otumfo knows. Because Otumfo at Nabruche to Seme. Neniati Onim de ye. Now you say, comforting crying. Ne ye event to be a one crying. O you say, I know Otumfo ya. O you say, at the papa be a by a con crying. O you say, ya. Any ya wana kumem. So I want to bring a day confidence, prosperity, and development home. It will seem kwasia meso kwasia we Jimmy. I'm not going to mince words. I'm telling you. And I'm who misre. Na me ko hu video bi yesi chema unto me. Eii to John Mahama for say unto me for. Abuwa toruwa. John Eii Yesi chema unto me gina stage so. And John Mahama to Kevin Taylor for. Yes, we dear Santifo atem ampa me dear Santifo mo Jimmy di bi atem. Asantifo ni bi o mo Jimmy no me di o matem. Do ye be ma no twa hwe amra. Yes. Me see Asantifo ni bi o mo Jimmy no. Anom gu PZ Jimmy no me di o matem. Do so ye be ma no twa dua. Wo kwase ampenchi se wo chema mutumi tena radio so. Professor Nano Pukwajiman, with all due respect, man, this is so you who so ba was anti-memuda when it comes to academics, intelligence, people who have conducted themselves as a woman of substance. Wa wo emanema abenya PhD. O kwasia te se wa obema hwe left. O nan koko ni wa hwe left. Kwasia wo wadwene hwe left. O tena radio so na wo di Professor Nano Pukwajiman atem. O kwasia sanke ye kai ka beka sem NPP menhia na ekekere no ke beka se tia otumfo na meboa aboa sanka mebetena ha me se aden se menhia ene eti NPP bafo akoto the £700 into the wo ye no ende nka otumfo nka sankyerɛ but I know so otumfo nya politician. I cannot look at your stupidity no emfa nkomo otumfo. I will deal with you as a foolish idiot. Oh say mo na na mo refi mo ho mo agimi mo bi no because mumu bi na mo MP kamu njimi yanka eye den na nka obitumi tena ho ebo ni nsema chema wontumi kwasia we kuro bi anka body tirimu tuo hwe galamse oda say nan oda say man no e kuro bi a North Korea anka hanging wo wiem kwasia we da ho je mic na nipa bi di nachi ene na kire se mumu bi mu agimi wadwa hey inti yanti bi da inti Kevin Taylor me say me ende me begina bantama na me contest ya nipa ba ko pe ene betube win against me o 2472 or the 3 vote pe ene be win against me. Nobody in the Ashanti me a popular chain MPP. Yes, I am bigger than your party. I decide party no the way it should go. My catch them 42 years and over. He will stay in opposition. Ain't the advice na chairman own to me. Wa ko gina ho jimi ho no. Mesra o. Professor Nano Pukwajiman infantini te se me ofiri krom. O te se infantifo ma na omoso ti infantimemu a mebu omo no. Infantifo ma na udi o matem no. Omoso Professor Nano Pukwajiman de busuafo firi ho. E te se me na sefo ni bi ne me. Into do kwase atena TV so because of politics na o person who denigrate Professor Nano Pukwajiman. E no TV da ho. Why na mu bodam? Udidi na tem no sana udi infantifo atem ana meboa udidi na Opukwajiman atem o radio so no na odwin se udidi dagati ni atem na udidi infantini a oye mebusue ni atem obodam ujimi me se wo Cambodia nke bow trimutuo galamse ntinki ku ato atwene ba Ghana na ye jimi kakra yama democracy no akata yetiri ho nti amanfo ni jimi ani eso moso Ghana na ye jimi kakra galamse a wodi akunipa wo Ghana wodi a destroy insase asay nsu a nipa num nsu wu ka wo san wo ke wo se hangel. So I am not going anywhere. The also a bemo tiedia no only the ontumbra me metwaba. And I'm going to say this, I am not changing anything here. My target is the young ones. I will change the Ashanti Kingdom. And konya any aboso omta sentiment omta mechi. Until nothing will change. And Asante for mu nyansa knows say Kevin Taylor is speaking the truth. And enya mu Jimmy mu bi Jimmy inti na meja idea me and I'm not going to stop it. You didn't catch him dada. You say Asante for nya kamfo. Ma meka bi nchiro. Okay, team, we are still within time. Okay? Nyabutre, let's study trend way very well. Yene, we don't come here to speak. We do a lot of work. When we say for some time now, Akamfo Omaka, majority of them, they don't support Asantephobic actions. And I won't study here. Me madam for pa, ne mami Asantini. Madam for pa, so ya Asantino free Asante Mampong. Onu me nya problem. But I won't say intra. Because on one him sending call for the be, the omo yenye. Nyabutre study, conversation, study, aya Akamfo Omaka, Kofo, Bonofo, Fantefo, aya Achimfo, dien. Who study omupa? On says slowly they are all separating themselves from Asantefo. And I don't study here. On say you don't get a lot of them supporting Asantefo be the omoyeno. Gradually, Asantefo you be isolated. And I'm not saying this in a bad way. I'm saying it in a way me beso ti ase say the omoye the mumu bi no mo na mo ba asamo bra asantiase. It hardly do you see Achimini, hardly do you see Kouni, hardly do you see Fantini, hardly do you see Akani Onya Santini defending Asantini. And I won't study it. It should tell you something. Maybe you people say you are not dynamic enough. Your horizon and you're too wide into movement. But sit back and do your own checks. You will see it. The other Akamfo group, they are slowly detaching themselves from Edian Asantefo, Busahunsa Adentra. It is because some of you have deliberately decided, say, and slowly they are beginning to realize, say, you people are dragging them along. And it's a what study I can form a katiseme. Hardly do you see a Kanil for defending Asantini. Hardly do you see that. It is because now they are beginning to see, say, you people are selfish. Some of you, we are selfish. And then they be a catch say Asante wa asasi Asantini dom. Because I can form a car and a Asante dom. Now dear tina u Facebook ho tina wo dan kura nefa kura ba shem paase na kaka nkwase asem it will get to a point Asante be hiamwa Asante nyebi. Because see petumi a yes ya kamfo ene de NPP bae yenya tumi a yes NPP ni free menhia and the omo maka no mani ti omo maka no masati buso omo ho nsem every sem wankasa Asante beka se ewo me na ewo yen enya de pe adekro, meaning they are beginning to know say ye petumi a modi omo ye nkwase adwuma yenya tumi a adehye dia. Hardly do you see Akamfo a omo sorry so mu defend Asantefo. Dangerous. It is the beginning of the end. And the better, the quicker yenya Asantefo ni bi mo beja tum na mo bie munsem agi obi am ye di no kura kekere Ghana no, you will lose more Asante Semono. I am telling you. Now, mo kakra na munim nyansa Asantefo no, muntu ejimi fo kakra no fo se de mo ye no, you are making us very unattractive. Me say, I don't hate Asante. No of any 2482. But I'm giving you an advice to swallow. It hurts. But me there, from my observation, no, hardly have I heard I can near for fra what to so obey defend Asantini. Hardly do I see that. Busa on that question, because it's looking like continuously Asantefo be menka samunyina Asantefo be no with Jimino. You have decided to disrespect Akamfo Omakanyina. That is why now it is even difficult for you people to get a Akamfo from someone to defend you. And that's what we say. Obi e defend Asantia na Asantinia sebio we Jimmy kakra. And so those times, akani na o defend asante and then yes sir if you say chairman want to be asante memu etna radio so edi professor na no poku agima tem adentra onye NPP ni nti onfiri menhia na enyankofo te eye asante memu no mo support infantefo te se me omo yakanfo omo Nkwaseafour. What we do here, we educate you people and we show you the reality. And you have a problem with us. The problem you have with us, and you say, because no that is your problem. And I'll leave you with this. Take your time, sit down and ask yourself, you will understand where I'm coming from. Dabena mihusa akani fantini bi defendia santini. Dabena mihusa bununi bi defendia santini. Domani bi defendia santini. Dabena mihusa kouni bi defendia santini. Dabena mihusa achimni bi defendia santini. Dabena mihusa brekum ni dabena uhu bi. Ache. It is showing. And because some of you mom pano krenti mutieti Jimmy for. It is not my wish. Say I'll wake up one day and Ashanti as Ashanti has become weak. No. It is not my wish. But if you don't work towards it, you people will disintegrate. So beyond time, your election 2024, visit every regional. Everybody is seriously working and concentrating on how to build themselves. Techiman eja toho you didn't hear anything again. They are back to build their lives. You didn't see them turn it into politics. You did not see people turn what happened into politics to try and make it look like say it's a party in government. NDC adiebi srem eja toho market share. Greater Accra eja toho. In less than 72 hours, people are back trying to put their lives together. It is only in the Ashanti region. You people cannot put your flags under your bed and go back to normal life. And that is what is destroying you people. Some of you. And my life hovers around my political party. Until you are not able to think outside your political party. Until at the Papa be that you people deliberately decided somebody pushing away. That is your problem. Kevin Taylor is not a problem. I have never been your problem. It is you yourselves. You have been problems to yourself. Man, I'm a problem. And you me. Media Obanyansafour.
Asantefo ne akanfo na the problem of this country. Yet so a yen kanta. Asantefo ne akanfo na the problem of this country. Yet so a yen kanta. Asantefo ne akanfo na the problem of this country. Yet so a yen kanta. Asantefo ne akanfo na the problem of this country. Yet so a yen kanta. Asantefo ne akanfo na the problem of this country. Yet so a yen kanta. Asantefo ne akanfo na the problem of this country. Yet so a yen kanta.
Continue me must go wulu echire ho eye methodist dan echire ho ne asere because asem no e kan enya no kore eti de wo ye you should know say I know it better. Minu apa no 2016 me no na na ebo jandam ye fa bibi jandam asem no nya no kore akama ne nya no kore me must go wulu echire ho eye methodist dan echire ho ne asere because asem no e kan enya no kore eti de wo ye you should know say I know it better. Minu apa no 2016 me no na na ebo jandam ye fa bibi jandam asem no nya no kore akama ne nya no kore.
Ghana is a very funny country, eh? All right, good evening. I want to say good evening to